What's going on, guys? Jonny Bubbles back with another cleaning video. This time on a pair of New Balance 574s. I gotta be honest, guys, I'm not a huge fan of the shoe. I'm honestly not a fan of New Balances, period. But one thing I am a big fan of is Reshoevn8r's Ultimate Sneaker Laundry Kit. This kit right here, guys, is for every big sneakerhead like myself and like Jake that's behind the camera. Go ahead and pick one up at Reshoevn8r.com and check out the description below for a promo code. Now let's get bubbly. All right, guys, for this cleaning, I am gonna be cleaning the left shoe, so I'm gonna put the right one on the floor. And to start off, I'm gonna remove the laces. All right, guys, the next step is to grab our adjustable shoe tree and adjust it to size. All you wanna do is click it together like so, get it to the appropriate size, put it into the shoe, and press it down. What that's gonna allow you to do is apply more pressure on the toe box, and it helps the shoe keep its form. All right, guys, next step is to grab our bottle solution. Since I am using the Ultimate Kit, this thing comes with the big boy, the 16-ounce bottle solution, which cleans over 100 pairs, guys. So let's go ahead and pop that cap, pour a few small squirts, just like that. And I'm gonna start cleaning the uppers using the Soft Bristle Brush. All right, guys, I am done using that soft brush on the uppers. They are looking pretty good. I don't see any really deep stains on that suede. So I'm gonna move on to the midsoles using the medium bristle brush. And then I'll move on to the outsoles with the stiff bristle. So let's do that now. All right, real quick tip, guys. Anytime you are cleaning the midsole with the medium bristle brush, you don't have to apply that much pressure. Just let the brush do its thing. It's real nice. Boom, look at it turn clean. All right, guys, the outsole's looking all nice and good now. You can see the camouflage print. I'm gonna put that shoe to the side, grab these dirty laces and dunk them into our bowl of solution and water mixture. Get them all nice and soapy, and then rub up in between my hands. Now that the laces are all clean, let's go ahead and put them inside the shoe for a deeper clean. Grab our laundry bag. We're gonna put the shoe in there like so. One question that we always get too is, do we leave the shoe tree in? And the answer is yes. Leave the shoe tree inside the shoe while it's in the wash. Lock this up. Lock this side up. And for a better secure bag, I'm gonna loop, swoop, and pull. Because my shoes are looking cool. Bam. Now let's go put these in the wash. All right, guys, we are back. I went ahead and let these dry overnight, and as you can see, they cleaned up super, super nice. Let me go ahead and just show you guys a quick side-by-side comparison. I'm honestly super impressed, but there is still one more step we have to do, guys. The suede is a little crusty and you can't really see the color change. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is, typically I would use a brass brush on suede, but for this one, it's a little too rough. So I'm just gonna take a dry medium bristle brush and just do the same steps, multiple directions. Just reset that nap. All right, after doing that, guys, the suede is feeling nice and smooth again. You might be able to see that color transition right there from dark to light. That's the whole purpose of resetting the nap, to get it from that crusty to nice and smooth again. The last and final step, guys, even though we put these in the wash, I still want to use deodorizer because I think Vic was wearing these and he has some crusty feet. So just a couple sprays. Perfect, perfect. Once again, guys, I achieved the results from these shoes using Reshoevn8r's ultimate sneaker laundry system that you can find at Reshoevn8r.com. Make sure you check out the description below for a promo code. I'm Jonny Bubbles, and I'll see you guys next time.